In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MLINE command in AutoCAD. This tool is particularly useful for creating parallel lines, which is especially handy when you're drawing architectural elements like walls. Knowing how to effectively use this command can save you time and enhance your drafting capabilities. Let's dive right into it. To begin using the MLINE command, you'll first want to type MLINE into the command line and press Enter. This action opens up a range of options for you to customize your multiline to fit your specific needs. One of the first options you'll encounter is the ability to set the justification. By typing J and pressing Enter, you can choose from three justification methods: top, zero, and bottom. When you select the top justification, the multiline will be drawn below your cursor, so the line with the most positive offset is aligned with your specified points. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to draw elements like baseboards or railings that need alignment from the top. On the other hand, if you choose zero justification, the multiline is centered at your cursor. This means the origin of the multiline with an offset of 0.0 is exactly where your cursor points, making it a versatile option for numerous applications. If you opt for bottom justification, the multiline is drawn above your cursor. Here, the line with the most negative offset aligns with the specified points, which is great for features like overhead beams or roofing elements. After you've set your preferred justification, you can adjust the width between the lines. By selecting the scale option, you can directly enter the numerical value to set the distance between your parallel lines. This step is crucial in ensuring that your multlines accurately represent the width of the walls or structures you're designing. Once you have your settings in place, you're ready to start drawing. Simply click on your drawing area to begin the line and continue clicking to create each subsequent point of your multiline. In demonstration, I'll trace over a polyline to show how to create walls for a pre-designed shape. Each click establishes a point along the new wall you're drafting, allowing you to create detailed and precise designs easily. When you finish tracing and no longer need the original polyline, you can delete it to reveal how your multiline command has formed accurate and clean walls, adhering to the dimensions you've set. This powerful command, when mastered, can streamline your workflow and enhance the quality of your designs, whether you're drafting a simple floor plan or a more complex architectural layout. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the MLINE command in AutoCAD. With practice, you'll find it becomes a natural part of your drafting process.